So, good morning. This is a morning post, and I'm doing this. See, my hair's not done, and I want to show you what AI can do. So, let's have a cup of coffee together and dive right in. Happens to be day 12 of my content marathon for YouTube and my other platforms, but specifically YouTube. So, you ready? So, I'm literally going to sit back, I'm going to have coffee, and I'm going to let the AI do the rest of this demo. So I'm going to get out of the way. I might add a couple things, but here we go.
Good morning. Are you diving into the deep end of the pool of using AI for your social media posts yet? This stuff can be mind-bending, like the old movie The Matrix. Take a look at the stats from last night's TikTok post. It's already at 1890 and climbing. Do you think you have to have a big following to get free organic viral traffic? You don't. All you have to do is to create fun, educational, and engaging content. The fun fact is that when you create a digital avatar, you can create content anytime, day or night, without having to redo your hair or makeup. Ha 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 ha. As some of you know, the non-AI version of myself is doing a personal YouTube challenge, and I would love it if you joined in the fun. Please visit thinkyourwaytoamillion.com and sign up for our list for fun, futuristic, technology-based education that can help you transform your social media and ultimately future-proof your profession. And if you haven't considered making a profession out of making AI-generated content for other businesses, well, one thing is true. If you are following me, then you cannot unsee my journey and the way I'm using tech. Lastly, did you ever think you'd see an AI avatar giving an update about stats that are about an AI-generated social media post? If your answer or thoughts are, right now, no, Ann Marie, I never thought I would. Well, you are not alone. And wait, there's more? Ha ha ha. Go quickly and head over to our YouTube page and smash the subscribe button. You can find us at youtube.com/jar Ann Marie Walts Official. Okay, that's it for now, and I want to thank you for your time right now. Have a great rest of your day.
So, whoa, can you believe that? It's insane, right? So, which one is real? Do you know which one's real? Ha 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 ha. Kidding, not kidding, kidding. But seriously, you have got to adopt AI. Adopt it. Adopt it. All right. So you can see that there's 1,890 posts. So I'm gonna try switching a tab, and I'm gonna bring you to my TikTok because let's see. I'm sure it's gone up since, but I'm gonna be showing more of these tutorials. So you've got to come visit and sign up at my website and sign up on the fun. I'd love to have a project um, that where you make a bot, I make a bot, and then merge it together and have our bots talk to one another. And if you're like, whoa, what the hell's she drinking in the morning? My coffee. My coffee. All right, so let's go over to TikTok right now. And all right, so it's this one right here. Oh, it's up to 1902. So, and I believe that with my Loom, it might have shown you the stats. Because the one thing I find that's kind of tricky with Loom is picking the right window so that records. Obviously, it records my voice, but then it also records what's on the screen. All right. So this is just going to be a very quick tutorial because right now I happen to be inside Canva. So I'm going to add something. Let's see, elements. I'm going to add arrows. Okay, and actually I'm going to put, say, yellow. Okay, so yellow arrows. And then, right, I'll go here. All right, and then I'm actually going to put avatar. Oops, elements. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Graphics. I wanted to say avatar. Okay. Nope, not avatar. Okay, avatar. Okay. I love building educational stuff as I go here. Let's try photos. Let's use Avatar. That was such a cool movie. Now I'm going to do background. Whoops. And you can always hit the back button. Let's do that again. Avatar, background movement, background movement. Yeah, right. Like I said, I haven't had my full cup of coffee yet. And then flip horizontally. Okay. I must have hit. Okay. So I'm going to move this talking head over. Okay. All right, so I got this here. Then here, what I want to do is I want to animate this.
Good morning. Are you
All right, so now got all the moving parts. So we're gonna go over here, and then I'm gonna hit download, and this is gonna be saved as an MP4. So I'm making another movie file, video file, and when you're working with your social media just loves video. See where I'm going with this? All right, so there's your like 8-minute tutorial. Have fun.